Hello, good morning children. Welcome to our channel Science Tonic Experiments. So many students are writing these Google Forms. First of all, thanks for all them. But some students are expressing their doubts in some difficult questions. For their clarification, I am doing this video. Watch it and again write one more time this Google Forms. Clarify your doubts. Now let us go to our video. Here I am doing refraction of light plane surfaces worksheet 1. Look here. Now write the name of the student and again give the information of name of the school and again name the village or town name and again name the district. After filling these all columns, go to next. It will appears like this. Here questions will displace. Answer all the questions. 15 points for 15 questions. The first question: if light travels from water to air, rays of light. For this answer is refraction. When light travels from one media to another medium, refraction will happens. So the answer is refraction. The second one: light follows which law during refraction? During refraction of light, the light obeys Snell's law. So the answer is for this one Snell's law. Third question: refractive index of a substance depends on. Refractive index of a substance depends on nature of the substance, wavelength of the incident line. So here the two answers are correct. That's why the C option, both of above, is the correct answer. Fourth one: X refractive index n equal to C by V. Y refractive index has no units. So the refractive index formula n equal to C by V is correct. Refractive index is the ratio. So for this one no units. So the answer is both are correct. So A is right answer. Fifth one: which of the following is Snell's law? Snell's law, general law is n1 sin I equal to n2 sin R. By using mathematical application, we will get n1 by n2 equal to sin R by sin I. That is B answer is correct. Sixth one: when light travels from rarer medium to denser medium, the relationship between I and R. When the light is traveling from rarer medium to denser medium, in this condition, the angle of incidence is greater than to refracted angle. So the answer is I is greater than R. Seventh one: when light travels from denser medium to rarer medium, the relationship between I and R. When light travels from denser medium to rarer medium, in this condition, refractive angle is greater than to incident angle. That means R is greater than to I. This is the right answer. B is the right answer. Eighth one: the reason for refraction at interface of two mediums. So the answer is change in velocity. When refraction happens, so the velocity will changes. When light is traveling from one medium to another medium, the velocity changes. That's why refraction will happens. This is the most important bit. Once again, I am repeating. The reason for refraction at interface of 2 points is change in velocity. Next, ninth one: when the observer are in denser medium, the object which is in rarer medium appears like. Here, the observer is in denser medium. The object is in rarer medium. So it appears in distant position. So the answer is distant. 10th one: if light travels from water to air, rays of light bends away from the normal. When light is traveling from denser medium to rarer medium, in this condition, it bends away from the normal. So the answer is first one, bend away from the normal. Next, 11th one: Refractive index of glass relative to water 9 by 8. What is the refractive index of water relative to glass? Here N GW given, here the asked is NWG. NWG means refractive index of water relative to glass. So it is the reverse value, reciprocal value, that is 8 by 9. 12th one, assertion. It is difficult to shoot a fish swimming in water. For this reason is, due to refraction, fish in water change its original position. Here the first assertion is, it is difficult to shoot a fish swimming in water. Is that correct? For that one reason is, due to refraction, fish in water changes its original position. So both are correct. That's why D is the right answer. A is true, R is true. 13th one, which of the below statement is correct? X. The refractive index of kerosene is greater than to refractive index of water. Y. Optically denser medium may not possess greater mass density. Here both are correct. X and Y are correct because the refractive index of kerosene is 1.44 is greater than to refractive index of water, that is 1.33. Even though mass of kerosene is less than to mass of water. That's why optically denser medium may not possess greater mass density. Both are correct. That is X and Y. The most and least value pair of speed of light having substances among the following is refractive index of ice 1.31, water 1.33, kerosene 1.44 and fused quartz is 1.46. The least refractive index have high speed. That means the refractive index of ice is 1.33 is least value. It is having high speed light. So fused quartz is refractive index 1.46. It has low speed of light. So the answer is D. Sorry. The answer is C. Ice and fused quartz. The last one, 15th one. The most and least value pair of refractive index having substances among the following. Diamond has more refractive index, vacuum has least refractive index. That's why the answer is D. After completing this one, submit it. You will get your score, that means your marks. So for this one, click on view score. Here we got 15 out of 15. Look here, this is the verification for your answers. Once again check it. If any mistakes, verify it with your textbook and again write one more time. So learn all the questions. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Science Tonic Experiments. Thank you for watching this video.